Hello guys, I'm back at some more Roblox, and today I'm playing Fireworks Simulator today, and someone's using their fireworks. It's quite loud, so we're going to use the for the what's this called? The what's this called? This little bomb again. Bing, bing. Oh gosh. Is it good? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh! Oh, that's a nice explosion. Oh! Oh! Dude, insane. This is insane. I can't believe it. I have to enjoy the freaking game. I have to enjoy the freaking game. It's too loud here. Anyways, if you want to watch one of my videos, I want to thank some people because my newest short has been reached my what's it called 188 views. So thank you for making me reach through 200 views. So I'm playing this again because I want you to see my the fireworks again. So here's wood rock, but just one, so it can't use a little bit of money. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's like real fireworks. Oh, so guys, if you ever seen this before, you might like it. Oh, if you haven't seen a fireworks in years, you might enjoy this. Oh no, there's another bomb up ahead. There's another bomb up ahead. Turn it to daytime. Then we're going to buy some over here. Okay, if you want me to see this again, here it is. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's literally what I'm going to do. This is the worst thing that you might ever seen. It's super loud. Cause it will just go like kaboom and go bang bang. Bang bang. Light it up. Oh no! Run! Run! Let's see how it looks like. Oh! Oh! Oh my! Oh! What is going on? What just happened? What just happened? Oh, the explosions are cool. Okay, this is a warning for headphone users. A 3-inch strobe too. Guys, this is a 3-inch strobe too. Be careful. Oh. Bye. Fracking shell. 3-inch strobe 2. Here we go. Oh, there goes. Stay away. Oh. 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 That's cool. Dude, what is going on out there? Guys, I don't know what's going on out there because it's getting even more crazy for the fireworks. Where are those fireworks coming from? Okay, I have an idea. Yes! This gram. Some grams. Oh no, this is the worst thing yet to do. Guys, I know this is your unlucky day. I know this is your unlucky day though, but yeah, you have to do this. Oh gosh. So we're moving closer and the hero signs for some origin. Run! Oh gosh! Oh! 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 Guys, I like what's happening right now. I like it. I definitely like it. Guys, I really like this. I really like this. How about I use the wood rock? Yeah, 2 wood rocks. We need 2 wood rocks. We actually need 2 wood rocks to make this even more insane. Light it up and light this one up. Let's see how it looks. Okay, the second one is lighted up. Oh! Oh my gosh, my coolest thing I've ever seen. Dude, I like this. I definitely like this. If you let me reach this one to 400 views, I will make it for you pretty insane. But turn on the notifications to make me have even more views. Cause thank you for the 200 views on my newest short on the tornado. Cause it was on slow-mo. And once you're on a headphone, turn down your volume cause it's too loud. This time I got 3 wood rocks, not 2. The last one is just in my inventory. Who would need someone that has a lot of fireworks? Like, if he has a lot of fireworks and buys more, who needs one? Gosh! Oh! Guys, I hope you like my video. Guys, I hope you like fireworks, cause if you let me reach to 100 subscribers, I will make some more firework videos if you do help me reach to 100 subscribers, so please turn on that notifications. If you see if a bell pops up on this video, it means it's on the notifications. Press and here's how to turn on all notifications. Click the bell. Then what is this called? Just click the bell, press all, and there you turned on the notifications. Raymer. Okay. Guys, I really liked fireworks so much. Cause we will enjoy it. Cause I hope you enjoyed the fireworks show. Cause I will enjoy this if this happens. Oh. Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Whoa! Those fireworks are so big! Maybe it came from another island. Okay. Let's drop these ones. And I light that one up. Run away. Oh! It made me so scared. Ninja. Ninja, stay away. It's too scary. I'm too scared. Dude, Ninja just chatted in the chat. Ah! Cause he's like so scared right now. Also, guys, I have to go and ready for my lunch now. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. And turn on those notifications. Bye.